In this exercise, we'll solve a radical equation. We have the equation, the square root of 3x plus 2 equals 14. Now, the first thing that we want to do is to isolate the radical on one side of the equal sign. And I can do that for this equation by subtracting 2 on both sides. When I do that, on the left-hand side, I have the square root of 3x, and on the right-hand side, I have 14 minus 2, or 12. Now we can use the principle of squaring and square both sides of the equation. On the left, I have the square root of 3x squared, and that's equal to 12 squared. The square root of 3x squared is 3x, and 12 squared is 144. And to finish the solution, I can divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals 48. Now, when we use the principle of squaring, we need to go back and check the solution in the original equation to see if it is a solution of that equation. And if we would do that, substituting 48 for x in this original equation, we would find that we get a true equation. So we can say that the solution is 48.